News about Google's first foldable phone is not new. A new Google foldable patent was revealed a couple of days ago showing a similar design to the Samsung Galaxy Fold phone. Hey lads, TechScanning is here, and in today's video I have something very exciting to share about Google. And yes, you guessed it right. It's about Google foldable, and expectations are there Google could tease us with their foldable phone at the Pixel 7 launch event. Last year, a report hinted that the Google foldable would feature a 12.2 megapixel primary camera. Now a patent recently spotted revealed the design of the Google foldable courtesy of 91 Mobile. However, here note that the company filed the patent back in June 2021 at World Intellectual Property Organization. Looking at the patent drawings, these show an identical design to the Galaxy Z Fold4. The device will fold in the half like the notebook, but it looks like it will have fairly thick bezels unlike the Z Fold4. In the patent design, the Google foldable, when fully unfolded, have a selfie camera on the top bezel unlike the Samsung Fold4 that holds the under-display selfie cam. There should also be a screen when the phone is folded like regular smartphones. However, the patent doesn't show anything about it. Past rumors said that the phone will feature a 7.57 inches foldable display while a 5.8 inches outer display. With such a design showing in the patent, the Google foldable will have a crease in the middle similar to the Fold4. The Google Fold is expected to be named Pixel Notepad and possibly to get the same tensor chip as the Pixel 6 models. According to the prominent Vivo tipster, the Google foldable is under production by Foxconn alongside the rumored Pixel 7 Ultra. There is no second thought that the introduction of a foldable phone from Google will significantly increase the competition, and we might able to see competitive prices. So are you excited about the Google foldable? I'm sure you will. And that's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to receive the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, take care.